Guys, creating your own online store usually takes weeks. You have to figure out design, connect payment systems, choose products, deal with suppliers, and somewhere in the middle of all that, not break everything. And for most people, that's exactly where things stop. Not because the idea is bad, but because the setup is just too overwhelming. I am Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. In today's video, we're looking at Build Your Store AI, a platform that flips the whole e-commerce process. Instead of building everything from scratch, you get a ready-to-run Shopify business in just a few minutes. Products, design, structure, all handled by AI. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. Folks, let's move straight into the practical part and actually build a store from scratch. The whole idea here is to go from zero to a ready-to-sell website in just a few steps, without touching code or spending hours on setup. And one more thing, mates, BYS is free to use, so you can actually test everything without any upfront cost. So we start by creating a new account. And right after that, the first thing the platform asks us to do is choose a niche. Now guys, this step is way more important than it might seem at first glance, because it defines the entire direction of your business. Based on this choice, the AI will decide which products to add, how to structure your store, and even how your offers are positioned. Guys, the platform gives you several popular categories, from pet products to electronics and lifestyle goods. In this case, I'm choosing a niche that already shows stable growth, because the goal here is not to experiment blindly, but to build on something that already works in the market. Once that's done, we move to the next step, selecting a homepage banner. This is the first thing your visitors will see, so it needs to look clean and professional. I'm going with a neutral option that fits a wide audience and doesn't limit future branding. And the good part is you're not locked into this choice. You can always go back later and edit or completely change the banner if you want to adjust your branding. And just like that, the foundation of the visual identity is already in place. Next, folks, we connect our Shopify account. Normally, this part alone can take a long time, setting up themes, pages, layouts. But here, everything is simplified. The platform integrates directly with Shopify and prepares the structure automatically. After that, we connect AutoDS to the store. This is where the backend starts to come together, because now your store comes pre-uploaded with 10 winning products ready to sell. And what this means in practice is that your business is no longer just a website. Your store is integrated with AutoDS that handles product sourcing, inventory, and shipping for you. At this point, guys, something interesting happens. The system already shows us a live version of the store. So instead of building step by step, we're actually reviewing a finished result. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Alright, let's keep going. One of the standout features that BYS offers is UGC video generation. The platform offers to create your first promotional video directly inside the system by using Create UGC, and this is specifically designed for attracting your first customers. What's happening behind the scenes is pretty powerful. The AI takes your product link and turns it into a UGC-style video, the kind of content that performs best on TikTok and Instagram right now. You don't need editing skills, you don't need to film anything, and you don't need to hire creators. The system handles everything and gives you a ready-to-publish video. Now let's take a look at the actual store. Folks, what you're seeing here is a fully built e-commerce website. The homepage already includes a strong banner that immediately grabs attention. The layout is clean, structured, the product cards are already filled in, with images, descriptions, and pricing. And this is important. The AI didn't just create a design, it populated the store with products that already have demand. So you're not starting from zero, you're starting with something that already has market potential. Beyond the storefront, the system also sets up all the key pages needed to actually run a business. You'll see sections with store benefits, customer reviews, and trust-building elements. And guys, these details are not just cosmetic, they are critical for conversion. This is what makes a visitor feel comfortable enough to actually buy. So at this stage, your store is not just ready, it's fully functional and capable of taking orders. Now let's talk about what happens after that. The real secret of e-commerce is not just design, it's operations. And this is where most beginners struggle. But here, the store is automatically integrated with AutoDS, which acts as your backend assistant. Mates, this system handles everything from finding suppliers to processing and shipping orders. So when a customer buys something, the platform automatically places the order with the supplier and sends it to the customer. You don't need inventory, you don't need to handle logistics, and you don't need to manage fulfillment manually. From a business perspective, this is what makes the model scalable, because instead of spending time on operations, you can focus on growth. Another powerful piece here is product research. With tools like AdSpy, you can see which products are currently trending in social media ads. This means you're not guessing what might work, you're selecting products based on real demand. And this is a big advantage, folks, because most beginners fail, not because they can't build a store, but because they choose the wrong products. Now, mates, let's talk about user experience. The store is fully optimized for mobile devices, which is critical today. Most purchases happen on smartphones, so speed and simplicity matter a lot. Here, everything is already structured properly. The interface is fast, clean, and the checkout process is simple. Exactly what you'd expect from a high-performing e-commerce store. At this point, friends, your business is fully ready to accept orders. But let's be clear, this is just the starting point. The final steps are strategic. You need to connect your domain to make the store look more professional and trustworthy. Then you move into traffic. You can run ads, use social media, or integrate tools like ManyChat for Instagram automation. And when you combine that with the UGC videos generated earlier, you get a system that can bring in customers and convert them without constant manual work. That's the real power here, folks. Not just building a store quickly, but creating a full e-commerce system that's ready to scale. Alright guys, let's wrap this up. Build Your Store AI removes the hardest part of e-commerce, actually getting started. Instead of spending weeks setting up a store, products and systems, you get a ready-to-run business in minutes. From a business perspective, that means you can focus on what really matters: testing products, running ads, and scaling what works. At the same time, mates, this is still just a tool. Results depend on your decisions, your budget, and how consistently you work with it. But if your goal is to launch fast and avoid technical complexity, this is a very strong starting point. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and till next time.